Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to accept a division invite in World of Warships so you can play with your friends or teammates. First, make sure you're in the port screen since division invites only show up when you're not in a battle. When someone sends you a division invite, you'll see a notification pop up on your screen. It usually appears near the center or top area with the player's name and a message saying they invited you to a division. To accept, simply click accept the pop-up, and if you miss the pop-up, don't worry. Look at the chat box on the left side of your screen. Just click on that and choose accept. Once you accept, you'll see your ship appear next to your teammate's ship in port. That means you're now in a division. From here, the division leader can start a battle and you'll queue together in the same match. If you want to leave the division, just right-click your name and choose Leave Division. And that's it. That is how you accept division invite in World of Warships.